Hello, I'm Dr. Tripti Patel, founder of Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center in Northern Virginia. Are you trying to lose weight but are not getting anywhere? There are all kinds of do this and don't do that advice all around us. In fact, so much is said about losing weight that it can be hard to sort out fact from fiction. I'm here to clear up some of the weight loss myths that you may have heard. First, you may have heard calories in equals calories out. False. Decreased caloric intake and increased energy expenditure does not lead to long-term weight loss. Rather, it is the type of calories you take in, such as calories from carbohydrates versus calories from fats or proteins. It is a type of calorie that impacts hormonal balance, which contributes to weight gain. 200 calories from white bread is different from 200 calories from whole grain bread with peanut butter. And keep in mind, many things other than calories also contribute to weight gain, such as stress, lack of sleep, processed foods, certain medications, etc. Second, you may have heard it's better to lose weight slowly. False. When it comes to weight loss, we always hear that slow and steady weight loss is better, especially to keep it off. However, this isn't necessarily true. Studies have compared a 12-week rapid weight loss program to a 36-week gradual plan. After the dieters lost weight, they were put on the same maintenance plan, and both groups did the same in terms of regaining the weight. So generally speaking, there is no advantage to losing weight slowly over quickly. Both are equally effective. Third, how about there are no medications to treat being overweight? False. Although there is no magic pill to melt the fat away, there are several FDA-approved medications available. When used in conjunction with a specific dietary plan and lifestyle modifications, they can significantly help in weight loss. Remember, having to take weight loss medication is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it is a treatment of a disease, just like diabetes or high blood pressure. Fourth, people who can't lose weight have no willpower. False. Did you know that our bodies are made to protect our individual weight set point, even if it is above our healthy weight? This is an ancient physiologic process that helped our ancestors survive starvation. This means that when we lose weight, our body starts to decrease our metabolism and increase hunger. Our body sees weight loss as a cue that there may be famine coming. What our body doesn't know is that in the modern world, food is readily available to us all the time. But there are ways to fight this process. We have great science-backed tips and solutions to fight this process. Fifth, in order to lose weight, I just have to increase my exercise. False. Exercising is necessary for good health. But for weight loss, about 80% of it is dietary. Exercise alone generally does not lead to weight loss, but exercise does play a significant role in maintaining the weight you have lost. Sixth, eating fat makes you fat. False. One of the biggest myths in nutrition is that eating fat makes us fat. In fact, eating more good fats along with proteins lead to weight loss, and eating more carbs lead to weight gain. Fat and proteins keep us full, while carbohydrates cause more hunger and cravings. Seventh, all carbs are bad. False. Just like fats, not all carbs are created equal. Avoid the processed, high in sugar carbs. Enjoy the good carbs, which are high in fiber, like beans, legumes, whole grains, and vegetables. And finally, the eighth myth that you may have heard. My weight loss goal should be a normal BMI, which is body mass index. False. A BMI is just a height-weight ratio. It does not take into account muscle mass. A more accurate way to assess weight loss is to measure fat mass. For women, a healthy goal fat mass percentage is somewhere in the 30s, and for men in the 20s. We want to preserve as much muscle mass as possible and only burn fat. And remember, it only takes a 5 to 10% weight loss to see improvements in acid reflux disease, diabetes, and even hypertension. So as you continue to come across all kinds of quick weight loss methods, be sure to watch out for fads and gimmicks that can do more harm than good. Remember to look for weight loss methods that are backed by science. I'm an experienced board-certified weight loss physician, and I would love to help you feel your best through safe and effective weight loss. Whether you have 5 pounds or over 100 pounds to lose, we have a program that can work for you, and we are with you every step of the way. To get started on your successful weight loss journey, please give us a call at 703-783-5673 or visit our website at Healthy Me Weight Loss to schedule a weight loss consultation.